What's up guys, I hope you're having an amazing day. We're back again and today we'll be learning how to perform the spring. So this is what it looks like and let's get into it. To perform the spring, you want to start with your left hand in mechanics grip. This is with the thumb along the long edge, your index finger wrapped underneath and to the top short edge, then your middle and ring finger on the left long edge here, and your pinky finger on the bottom. You then want to come over with your dominant hand and grip the cards with your thumb at the bottom corner, like so. Then your index finger and middle finger in the other corner. You want to grip the cards in a shallow grip at the tips of your fingers, and make sure you can hold the cards with just these three fingers. Once you get used to holding the cards like this, we're going to move on to the next bit, which is to buckle the cards. In order to do this, you're just moving your fingers closer together. So if we have a look at that, yeah. If you're not used to this, it might hurt your hands a little bit, so don't worry about that, just practice a little bit, get comfortable with it. You might not be able to just buckle it with one hand straight away, so get your index finger from your left hand and push upwards into the deck, and that will help form the buckle this way, rather than, because if your deck is bent the other way, for example, you might end up pushing it that way, which is wrong. So if you do need a hand to get it buckled that way, just push with your index finger, and that's it. Before we look at how to actually spring the cards from your hand, we are going to look at how to catch them, because otherwise the cards will just go everywhere. So to do this, so as you had mechanic grip before, just leave the fingers like that basically, but just extend them out a little bit more, get the pinky facing upwards, and kind of rotate your hand towards your body. This creates like a little nest or thing for the cards to fall into. Yeah, so all the fingers extended and the pinky upwards and the hand tilted back. So the cards just then fall into the grip. Okay, so let's go back over to the right hand, your dominant hand, and look at how to actually spring the cards off the thumb. So in order to spring the cards, now what you're going to do is you want to get back to this position. This might hurt, this is hurting my hand right now, but so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate this portion of the thumb outwards like this, and at the same time I'm also going to extend the thumb in this direction. So at the moment, squeeze more until it's at the point where it's ready to start springing off. This is going to take practice to feel what this is, so I would just recommend just keep going. Next, so as I said, now I'm going to rotate this and push it forward a bit at the same time. So square it up, rotate this out, push forward. There, and now you can see my thumb is fully extended. Dealer's grip, come over, grip at the corners, push under with your index finger, buckle the cards, and aim the cards, basically. Again, you'll get a feel for this. So buckle them, then we're going to rotate this off and extend the thumb out at the same time, like that. So you'll also notice that what I do when I perform the spring is that I also move these fingers in a little bit more, so then just to kind of maintain the pressure through the spring. So once more, apply pressure, and then you rotate and extend the thumb, and you push, apply pressure this way. Yeah, and that's it. You'll get a feeling for this. You basically practice makes perfect with this. You just want to get a feel for it. Eventually you'll be able to feel the point at which the cards are about to come off, when you orientate your hand, which direction the cards are going to go, so you can aim it better. Also, as you get more practice, you can gradually move your hands away from each other and do longer springs. You can also do sideways springs, and at some point you could even do an upside down rainbow spring where you throw it up and into the hand. I can't personally do that, but the next step after that is to do a spring while moving your hands together. So again, you kind of just want to get a feel for that. You spring, move your hands, and you can build it up to larger and larger motions, moving your hands more and more and with a larger spring. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video and it was clear. If you did, please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.